All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to this channel for gaining knowledge about spirituality. This world is full of spirits. Let me introduce you to them. You know you are also a spirit who have physical body. Many lost their physical body and live as a spirit energy. Some spirits are good and some spirits are bad. Like some persons are good and some persons are bad. When they will die, they will become spirit energy, having no physical body. The good persons will become good spirit and the bad persons will become bad spirit. The way they are now. Nobody will make them good or bad. It is only them who can choose which path they will follow, good or bad. Some spirits can reach their destination, that is God, after their death. Not all spirits get free. They are living in this world as spirit form. Human cannot see them naturally, but they exist as well. Some good humans sometimes become bad spirit. How? Though they were good in their lifetime, still they could not able to reach God due to their sins. They have to stay in this world alone as a form of spirit. They live here years after years. They don't know what to do. They also don't know how to reach God. So, for passing time and for enjoyment, they make people afraid. People call them ghost. This is a big crime in spirit world. This is actually a bigger sin than whatever sins he had done in his lifetime. If they do not stop, then their crimes increase and they will become demon one day and they will go far away from God. When a pure soul die and angels come and take him with them towards the heaven, all trapped souls, ghosts, demon look towards the person and think how lucky he is. Lucky or karma? What do you think, my dear? The souls are trapped in their own bad karma, in their sins, in their jealousy, greediness, lust. Then, how can he reach God? Who should be blamed for this? It is he who has chosen this path. A demon soul can also change himself by changing his path, changing his karma, as well as by changing his destination towards God. So, my dear, whatever your soul is, good, bad, you can reach your higher self to reach God. Those demons, ghosts, cannot take a rebirth. If they take rebirth, they cannot take birth as a human form. But, my dear, you are alive and you are human. So, you have full potential to know the knowledge from my video and implement it in your life. Knowledge will have no value if it is not used. So, you have to use your knowledge to be the better version of yourself, to reach your higher self. What is your higher self? We are right now in a physical world, but this is not our origin. We belong from a higher energy. We all are part of God. Many saints can leave their physical body and travel as a soul while they are alive. But normal people are unable to do so, but they can control their mind. Mind is very powerful. We often find ourselves lost and then come back, like we come back from a different place, because we were physically present but mentally absent. Such powerful mind is actually. So, why not use this power for our betterment? Mind easily lost somewhere else. To take it where we want, we have to do meditation to control our mind. Actually, it is not any physical thing. It is totally involved with mind. We go somewhere, we eat something, we do something because our mind wants to do so. The same way, we can take our mind to our higher self. We can disconnect our mind from this physical world and can connect it to this universe, towards God. Yes, we can travel to this universe, towards our origin, towards our God, with the help of our mind. Such powerful our mind is. We are living life like a frog in a well. The frog had not witnessed the life of a frog in a river. So he did not know that such things exist. And when he got a chance to experience the life of a frog in the river, he refused it due to fear. He lived whole life in a well. He thought he was comfortable there. Why take risk? So he did not take risk and lost the opportunity to witness such a lovely creation of God. Another frog who lived in the river, when he got an offer to live in a well, he laughed because he knew he was living the best life, experiencing the best joy without any fear, with full comfortness, and he was very much happy from inside. What if the frog of that well chose to experience the same? Can you imagine what immense joy he would experience? If you can, then why are you doing the same with yourself? Don't lose this opportunity. How many days more you will live like that frog in the well? Be the frog in the river. See the unseen. Experience the immense joy within yourself. Let your soul reach its destination. Why wait for your death to get free from your body? You can travel now. Reach your higher self. You don't need to leave your physical body for that. You only have to control your mind. The way a driver should have all the power to control the steering. You should have all the power to control your mind. Become the driver. Do not let your mind drive you. Otherwise, accident will occur. You will end up with all the qualities which will make you demon, a living demon. After your death, you will become a spirit demon. What will you do with this demon form? Will you be happy then? Kill the demon within yourself. Do you need motivation to do this? Close your eyes and imagine heaven. A garden, lots of trees, flowers, fruits, beautiful smell, happiness and joy are around you. And middle of all this, your Father, the Father of the universe, is welcoming you with his open arms, with a smile on his face, like finally my child reaches home. Feel it. Angels are welcoming you. Also, there is pleasant and joy in the breeze. Birds are singing. You are looking at your Father. You want to run towards him. It is not only a dream. It is the reality for those souls who are able to get themselves free from all these traps. Don't let the demon inside you win. Remember, your heart is the place of God. Make your heart heaven so that God can live there. He wants to be with you. Don't you want to be with your Father? If yes, then rest in peace, the demon inside you. Choice is yours. Life is yours. As well as God is also yours. I am here to guide you all. May you all choose the right path for you. Right karma takes you to the right destination, and the destination is God. God is with you always. Do you want to be with Him forever? If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will give you answer as soon as Archangel Michael will give me answer. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.